Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add Twitter feed to your Elementor website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you'll get on the site called Lsite. Lsite is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is Twitter feed. So let's go to top right, sign up for free. Now we want to sign with the Gmail, Facebook or normal mail. It's completely up to you. And when you got it, click login. Then you're going to be in applications, and in search you want to write Twitter, and you see here Twitter feed. So let's create a widget. Now we got profile timeline, hashtag feed, testimonials. I recommend going to profile timeline, it's alright. Let's continue with the timeline. Now we just connect it to your Twitter account. It's pretty simple. You can also edit the layout here and style and everything. And when you got it, click save. Right after you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50,000, 5 million views, go with the basic pro or enterprise. Let's copy the code here, and in search widget, write HTML. And paste the code. And now it's going to load, and when it's going to load, you're gonna see it. But this is pretty much it. I definitely recommend check all the other applications. It's going to load for a while because you need to add like your own profile here in Twitter feed. But yeah, if you have any questions guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you. What you can do also is just simply create a structure. Click plus here, write HTML. Add it to your column and paste the column code here. That's also the way how you can do it. So yeah. Have a great day guys, and goodbye.